We all die alone, no matter who we love or what religion we sacrifice our time to. No matter who we surface ourselves as or what good we do in the world, we all die alone. And when the moment comes when I must give myself to the soil around me, I will think of how I lived my life for and I will not regret how I lived it. And finally, my last breath will come, and it will feel warm, and I will have felt the last upwind of the fire inside me, and I will be happy. There is a time in every man's education when he arrives at the conviction that envy is ignorance, that limitation is suicide, that he must take himself for better or worse as his portion, that though the wide universe is full of good, no kernel of nourishing corn can come to him but through his toil bestowed on that plot of ground which he is given to him to till. The power which resides in him is human nature, and none but he knows that is which he can do, nor does he know until he has tried. Not for nothing one face, one character, one fact makes much impression on him, and another none. Nature is the beauty and the blight. When the world around me is dark, the sky becomes my light. Oh, my flower of beauty, show me the way, up through the concrete, up through the gray. Let the trees become my home when no one else will let me in. Let the bark become my bone. Sow the soil with my blood, sell my soul to the gods. Nature is the beauty and the blight. When the world around me is dark, the sky becomes my light.